this lesson, we're going to be learning Not by Big Thief. So before you start, make sure you download this free song information PDF. You can get it from my website. You don't have to put in emails or anything like that. Just click the link and you get it. And in this PDF, you're going to get all the song information, the key, the chords, the time signature, the song structure, and the strumming pattern, etc., etc. Okay, so this song is in the key of A flat minor, but we're going to be putting a capo on fret number 4, and then we're going to be playing the chord shapes in the key of E minor. So we're going to be thinking in the key of E minor. Okay, so the chords for this song are an E minor, a C/G, and a G. Okay, the song is in 4/4 time, and the structure is, we've got an intro, verse 1, chorus, verse 2, chorus, verse 3, chorus, and then a solo to finish off. Okay, so let's jump into the intro and look at how that's played. Okay, so the intro is played like this. Okay, so it's basically 2 bars where we play just the E minor chord. Now we're going to be accenting specific beats in that 2-bar progression. I'm going to be hitting all of the strings on the first beat. Okay, and then from there, I'm just going to be hitting the lower strings. Okay, so I'm going to get this. If you can get that first, just that, right? Just hear that. Okay, if you can hear that, that's great. The next part then is going to be this. I'm going to accent the next beat after that. So I'm going to get. And all I'm doing really is just hitting the lower notes a bit harder. And one more time. Okay, and then after that you get this. And again. And again. A bit slower. I'll do that 2 times in a row, right? And that's the intro there. Okay, now that takes us on to the verse. So the chords we've got are, we've got the C/G, an E minor, G, E minor, C/G to E minor, and C/G to E minor again. So the verse has got a similar feel, a similar strumming pattern to the intro, although it's a bit easier actually. So the strumming pattern was, it's just that. And then when you change chords, you're going to repeat the same strumming pattern. Now, one thing you're probably going to notice there is at the end of each chord, I'm playing what I call a transition strum, whereby you strum the strings as your fingers are transitioning, moving towards the next chord. So essentially you're kind of hitting the strings open like this. So if I play the C here and I go to the E minor, I'm going to play. Do you see what I did there? So I'm hitting them open there, and that's just leading my fingers towards the next chord. One more time, right? So the last strum, you're basically strumming the strings open whilst your fingers change to the next chord. Now, when you're going slow, it might not sound, or you might not need to do it when you're playing slow, but when you're playing up to speed, it just helps your changes much more because you don't have to move your fingers so fast. So that's the verse there. Let's check out the chorus next. Okay, so the chorus goes like this. So the feel of the strumming hand changes here. Rather than playing with this feel here, it's more this. Okay, so you've got to get good at changing from this, that feel, to this. So I'm also adding a little up strum in there, and it goes like this. So that was down, 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 up, down, 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 up. To the E minor, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Now what you'll notice again, another transition strum on that last up strum. So we get this. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up. On the third chorus, I'm pretty sure you've got to play through that 3 times. And once you've gone through it 3 times, you then get this little bridge chord which takes you into the solo, right? And that's just going to be a C/G for 2 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you count the 3, 4 after. So you just get 1, 2, 3, 4. And that takes you into the solo, okay? So that's the chorus there, guys. Let's next check out the solo. Okay, so this is the solo here. Just repeats. And this is where she's playing her crazy solo, which sounds really, really awesome. It sounds kind of like out of key and stuff. Awesome, I love it. Okay, so this here then, same feel as the chorus, but I quite like just strumming it on 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're gonna be strumming strum, miss, strum, miss, strum. So that was like down, 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 up. Then to the next chord, G, down, 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 up. Then to the next chord, which is a C with a G in the bass. Down, 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 up. And then it repeats. So again, on that last up strum, it acts as a transition chord. So I'm going to be hitting the open strings as I'm changing to the next chord. So nice and slow. Down. Really dig in. So that's how to play Not by Big Thief. I hope you had fun. I hope it helps. Don't forget to use the play along to practice. And if you've got any song suggestions that you'd like to learn going forward, or if you've got any constructive criticism regarding this lesson, please let me know, because I'd like to make them better as I go. So yeah, cheers. Take care. See you soon. Bye-bye.